Today we're going to do an easy soup in the crock pot. Quick and easy, throw it together, and away you go. Yummy, yummy split pea soup. Come on, I'll show you how to do it. Pretty easy.
Override.
So there you go, split pea soup, pretty easy. Throw it in, walk away from it, whisk it up, immersion blend it up, whatever you need to do, and it's ready to go. In all honesty, I am not a split pea soup fan, never have been, but I actually like this. This is something I might have every once in a while again, because for some reason it tasted really good, and whatever my issue was with it before, I'm done with it. So anyways, if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment down below. Come back, and this is part of the Easy Slow Cooker Meals and Soup series. Thank you all very much, and we appreciate you being here. Have a great day.